So once in my account over here, you guys can see that I have about 29.19 TRX, 29.19 tron in my account over here. So to make the withdrawal, I'll just click on the trade dash at the upper right side over here. So once I click on it, I'll now click on the button withdraw over here. After I click on the button withdraw over there, you can see that they said the minimum amount to withdraw is 15 TRX. So after that, I have to enter my address over here. So after the address, you have the amount. You can see the transaction fee 0.2 TRX. So after that, I have to do these verifications, the 2FA and the reCAPTCHA. So after that, I will only click on the button withdraw to complete the withdrawal. So let me go and copy my address and come and paste it. So I'm done copying my address. Back over here, I will just paste it. So after pasting it, I have to enter the amount that I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw all my cryptos, so I will only click on the button maximum over here so that all my balance can be pasted. So after that, I have to do the 2FA verification. After the 2FA verification, we have the reCAPTCHA too, so I have to do it before I can click on the button withdraw. Alright, I'm done copying the 2FA code, so I'll just paste it. So after that, I'll click on the button withdraw to do the withdrawal. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done with the withdrawal. So I have to hold on a little bit and go and check in my wallet and see if I receive it. You can see it down over here 9 seconds ago, and you can see the status is on confirm over here, but you can see the rest are completed. So guys, back again, you can see over here that they said they have sent me a message in my email account, so I should go and confirm the withdrawal. You can see down here that I have to cancel the first one because I didn't receive any message, so I have to cancel it and restart the withdrawal process again. So now I can go and check it in my email. So as you can see, I'm in my email account and you guys can see the message over here. This is the name of the website, tronpeak.io. so you can see the withdrawal confirmation over here. So I'll just click on it. So after click on it, you can see that it says we have received a request to withdraw 29.19 tron, and you can see my address over here. So I'll just click on the button confirm withdrawal to make the withdrawal. So after click on the button confirm withdrawal, you can see now that it says your withdrawal request has been successfully confirmed. So you can click here to go back on my home page. So back over here, you guys can see now that the status is on pending. So I'll just hold on a little bit and go and check in my wallet and see if I receive it. So guys, after waiting for some time, I'm in my Binance account. So you guys can see over here that it is written 28.99 TRX receive. So let me go back to show you guys that this is the amount that I just withdrew from the platform. So back over here, you can see that I withdrew 29.19 TRX. The transaction fee is 0.2 TRX. So if you do the math, you can see that I truly received the tron that I withdrew from the platform. That shows that this platform is really paying, guys. Now if I come back on the website again and I scroll down, you guys can see the withdrawals that I have been making on this particular platform. So 2 years ago, when I started with the website, I withdrew about 59.94 TRX. So after that, we have 1 year ago 15 tron. After that, 15 tron, 16 tron, 64 tron, 15 tron, 23 tron, 35 tron, 38 tron, 42 tron, and today we have 29 tron over here. So this platform has been there for so long and it has been always paying. So you guys can start with this particular platform without any doubt because it is really paying. So to start with this particular platform, all I have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link there. So once you click on the first link there, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. So as you can see over here, this is my Telegram channel. So if you're not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel too, this is the opportunity. You will see a button join down. So just click on the button to join my Telegram channel because I've been posting many opportunities on my Telegram channel that I don't post on my YouTube channel. So join my Telegram channel so that you can join all the opportunities that I've been posting over here. So once on my Telegram channel, you will see this post where it is written here video, and you can see link 1, link 2, and link 3. So the video over here is the video that I made on the platform because I already made more than 2 videos on this particular platform. So if you haven't watched the video yet, you can watch the video to see how the platform fully works. And this is the link to register on the platform. So just click on it to register on the platform. So after that, we have link 2. Link 2 is a website that will help you to earn the crypto called Solana. So with this particular website, you're going to earn free Solana without any investment. So to start with that platform too, all I have to do is to click on this link and register. So after you register on the platform, this is how the home page of the platform will be looking like. So as you can see over here, you have hourly faucet over here. So this is the first way to be earning free Solana on this particular website. So once you're here, all I have to do is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you can see this countdown over here. So you can be using this alternative every 60 minutes, every 1 hour. Once you be here, you have to confirm that you're not a robot, solve the reCAPTCHA and click on the button claim so that you can be claiming your free Solana every 1 hour. So if you want to see the others alternative, just click on the three dash over here. So once you click on it, you can see games. So you can also play games so that you can be earning the free Solana. So once you click on it, you can see the different games that you have on the platform. So choose anyone that you are familiar with and start playing it so that you can earn the free Solana. But before you can start earning the free Solana, you make sure you stick with Solana. So you have to get some Solana before you can start sticking on the games over here. So if you want to see the others alternative, click on the three dash again. This is the alternative that I'll be using to be earning more cryptos or this particular platform, the affiliates. So once you click on the button affiliates, you can see your referral link over here. So once you're here, all I have to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, click on the button select all. After click on the button select all, click on the button copy your referral link and start sharing it with people. So if you refer many people, you are going to receive a lot of free Solana with this particular platform. But I remind you, the referral commissions are not going to be added automatically to your balance. So if you refer people, you make sure you come back here, you see a button claim here, click on that button so that they can be added to your initial balance over here. So after that, if you have the minimum amount to withdraw, you can make the withdrawal. So if you want to make the withdrawal, click on the three dash again. So after click on the three dash again, you will see the button withdraw over here. We'll click on it. So once you click on the button withdraw, you can see that it said the minimum amount to withdraw is 0.0025 Solana. So if you have this amount of Solana, you can make the withdrawal. So just follow the step over here, your address, the amount, confirm that you're not a robot, confirm that you're a human, click on the button withdraw to make the withdrawal. Now the third website in this video, still you have to come back on our Telegram channel, click on link 3, create your account. After creating your account, this is how it will be looking like. They are going to give you a free mining power, 100 GHS. So with this 100 GHS, you are going to be mining free Bitcoin. So you can see mine over here. So far I have about 0.94 Bitcoin in my account over here, but the minimum amount to withdraw is $1. So if you want to get more crypto, if you want to increase your mining power, you have to purchase the mining power. So you can see the different packages over here. So the minimum amount to invest is $10. So if you have the $10, just select the package. The first one is already selected. So if you want to start with the first one, you just have to scroll down a little bit. So you see the button purchase power. So click on the button purchase power and follow the step to increase your mining speed. You make sure you select the correct crypto. You can see that they already selected Bitcoin over here, but you can change it and select other crypto. Copy the address, send the crypto and increase your mining power. So you can also refer people to earn more crypto. So you can see this is your referral link over here. So once you're here, just click on it. Once you click on it, your referral link will be selected. So after that, click on the button copy your referral link and start sharing it with people. If you refer many people, you are going to receive a lot of cryptos. So if you have the minimum amount to withdraw, as I said earlier, the minimum amount to withdraw is $1. So if you have that $1, just scroll down over here. So after scrolling down over here, you can see this is the button withdraw. Just click on it. So after click on the button withdraw, follow the step and make your withdrawal. The same things too as the deposits. You make sure you enter the correct address so that you're not going to lose your cryptos. So that's it for this third website. Remind you, all the three websites, you can withdraw cryptos on them without any investments. So for that, I have to come back on the first one why I withdrew the Tron. So once I'm here, I'll click on the button deposit over here to show you guys that I didn't deposit anything on this particular website, but you guys have seen that I withdrew 29 tron on this website. So once I click on the button deposit, I'll just scroll down over here and you guys can see over here that the same thing as the withdrawal. You can see that the deposit too, you have time over here, amount, address and status. Okay, and you guys can see that it is written here, no transactions found. That means that I didn't do any deposits on this particular website, but you guys have seen that I withdrew 29 tron today. But before that, I'll be withdrawing many tron on this particular website, guys. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you, and see you in my next video.